Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be making iceberg, lettuce and rocket leaf salad. And if you're new to Granddota Kitchen, please you may consider subscribing so that you can have our new recipes every week. And thank you for tuning in so watch with us. So here we have the rocket leaf salad, we have the carrots, we have the lettuce, a piece, and here I'm gonna mix our dressing. So we're gonna need some olive oil. I have all the recipe in the description box, all the measurements in the description box, so in case you want to try it out, you may want to go there and check it. Thank you. So we have our olive oil in there. And we're gonna add in some balsamico. So this is the type of vinegar that I'm using, and you can use whichever one you have, but for you to get this taste, it will be very nice to use this balsamico. And I'm not advertising for it, it's just nice and it tastes good and I love eating it. Yeah, before they say I'm getting money, it's the best vinegar you can get. Again, I'm talking about it. Enough of that. So we're gonna add in some salt, and you can see how much I'm adding in. So mix it well and nice. Yeah, and we're gonna add in some pepper. And again guys, sometimes it's really measuring by the heart. That's how you can get the right amount, but everything is in the description box. And as you can see, everything is inside. I'm gonna add in a little bit more of balsamico. Yeah, that's vinegar, before you get confused. So mix it well and nice. Until all the salt gets dissolved. Yeah. Greetings and regards to everyone out there. It's this week that I'm uploading this video. So yes, and here we have the rocket salad. I'm adding in some carrots, and I have the lettuce here cut, so I'm gonna wash it. You wanna wash it really well, and you wanna make sure that it's clean, you know. Any raw food eaten, it should be cleanly handled because you're eating it raw. So here it is after washing, guys. Look at it. So we're gonna mix it all together. And I am thinking that this plate is quite small, so I think we are gonna change for the purpose of mixing. Yeah, here we are. So we're gonna add in the dressing. You wanna add everything. So mix it well, very well. What are you thinking about this salad? Leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Really looks healthy and you may want to try this out. Let me take a bite. I need one. Guys, it tastes nice. So here it is. I have this in the next video, so you may want to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.